Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we'll be making this amazing oxtail stew recipe. If you'd like to know how to make it, stay tuned. So I started by cleaning my oxtail. I first washed it twice with just water, and then I also washed it with vinegar and trimmed off the excess fat from it. Once that was done, I added all my dry ingredients into the bowl. I crushed my pimento seeds just for the flavor to penetrate through. And add them into the bowl as well. I also added 3 tablespoons of the Maggi seasoning, the liquid one. I always marinate my oxtail overnight. I highly suggest that you do this for added flavor. This was my oxtail on the next day. You want to go ahead and separate the meat from the veggies. Once you do that, add some oil to a pot and then add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And we're going to let that caramelize for a little bit before going in with our oxtail. And we want to let them braise in there in its own juices for about an hour before going back in. I let it go for an hour, but I checked in between just to make sure everything is going well. want your oxtails to look like. At this point, you want to go in with 3 cups of hot water. Make sure it's hot water. Now just cover that and then let it go for another 1 hour. Guys, after the hour, you want to go back in with the veggies that you separated in the beginning. Add those in and then 1 more cup of hot water. Just put it in the same bowl where you had the veggies to make sure you get all that flavor in there. Add it into the pot and cook for 30 minutes. You want to add in your lima beans or butter beans along with 3 tablespoons of ketchup with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar mixed together. Then cover that and cook for 30 minutes or until it's fork tender. That there? Yeah man, your oxtail's ready. Now this recipe came out absolutely delicious. It's a fail-proof recipe. Oxtails are expensive, so you don't want to mess it up. I serve my oxtails over some coconut rice. You can serve yours over some rice and peas with plantains on the side or cabbage. Either way, try it. Let me know how you like it. But this is all I had today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!